Pam doesn't want to walk on the snow. She's trapped underneath. We're here at Sedonuts. Get some donuts at Sedonuts. And coffee. That's what I need.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll take a drip with honey and I'm putting my own milk in it, yeah?
Yeah, if we leave the space for sure.
Yeah, sure.
For your drip, you both sides with me.
You're cold fruit.
Thank you.
Smells like tea.
What do we have here? Is this a donut?
Cookie Monster, I'm assuming.
How do you eat it?
Bite it.
It's like, these are our areas. You flatten stuff.
Is this the new iOverlander app?
The old one crashes every time I open it.
Oh. Okay, well. And how far away is Flagstaff?
A little over an hour. There's a Tractor Supply. That's where I'll go for propane. It's gross.
Right.
And then that RV park is where I'll go.
Okay.
And then I'll go meet you.
Now I'm gonna go to the grocery store, get Pam food.
A little less full than when you came in? Or
A lot less. A lot less, yes. Yeah.
Is this your drip? Fair trade, organic. This is the drip. You're gonna get this.
Here in Williams, for camping. I went to our typical sort of go-to area, the big popular area, and they've closed off a majority of the camping. So it's interesting. The spots we've camped before are all lot of people. McLean is in town. That's nice. Alright, well, I'm gonna go, I think, south of town to look for some camping.
Look at what we woke up to this morning. Thanks, Flagstaff. You can see Pam's little paws right there. Inches. Very much, we got inches. And it's still snowing. It's snowing pretty hard now. Wow. Aaron, do you want to film?
Pam doesn't want to walk on the snow. She's trapped underneath. Poop poop. Come on, yeah, come on, girl. Right here. Yeah, good girl. Up, up. Yep.
Girl. Are you covered in snow? Ooh, you're all wet.
Nah, I ain't gonna put those in the car, no way. Too wet. Look at this. Here's our jackery panel. There's our entrance in and out. I was gonna go do Uber today, but I'm not so sure I can get out. Obviously not getting any solar today. Whew. We just had a big snowstorm here in Williams. We're in the woods a little south of Williams. So we probably got more snow than even the town did, but over a foot at least. It was a lot. So I'm headed to get us some supplies. Barely made it out of our parking spot because you can see it's red mud there. So obviously when that gets saturated, it's impossible to get out. But this road's pretty solid. The road out is pretty solid. Now I'm going to flip the camera so you guys can get a view here. There is a dip up here that sort of goes through a flood area, like a swamp type thing, so I am very curious to see what's going on. It's not closed because I see people come up and down the hill, even yesterday when it was snowing all day. Man, it snowed all day. It was snowing right when I got to bed the night before, and it didn't stop until I went to bed last night. So through a whole night, a whole day, and then into the following night, it snowed. I go up, clean off our panel, and then have to go back up again. We basically had no solar yesterday. We ran through all of our power stations that we try to keep full. Okay. Yeah, so the road is good. The road is nice and solid. Okay, so that's good. That's good. It was really just getting out of the camp spot, which was a bit hairy. I was sort of sliding around. I think when I get back, I'm not going to pull all the way in. I'm just going to park at the entrance of our camping spot. I'd rather my foot get stuck walking to and fro than the car get stuck. So this was the part I was a little, I guess, curious about more than worried. Yeah, a little water. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Huh. I wonder if it was fuller at any point with water. Okay. This is what happened. Very washboardy here. This is the last leg before we get out. Yeah. I'll keep this on, see how, I'm curious what the town of Williams is like. Snow-wise. It's funny, up on that mountain there, up on this mountain right here, when we first got here, there was a little patch of snow. And we both were like, oh, look, a patch of snow. Wow. Yeah. Got more of that than we could bargain for. I think the main worry about camping up here is the red mud. Because we've been stuck. We've gotten stuck in this area in a previous year, and it wasn't snowing. So we just got to be careful of that. The road seems fine, so as long as we can get out of our camping spot onto the road, we should be good. But I was walking out to this car and just like my feet just sinking in red mud. So for the RV, I think that we're gonna have to give it a couple days at least and see if this mud firms up at all. All right, we're driving down into Williams here. appears to have a lot less snow than when we were way up in the mountains, I guess. I guess we're up in the mountains. Apparently. Come down. This is the amount of snow that I would prefer. A nice, pretty flurry